At Lexis Hotel Group, we take pride in offering you the finest family resort and vacationing experience. Your safety and well-being will always be our top priority. As we welcome you back to our resorts, we're committed to providing you a safe, comfortable environment by redefining our cleaning and safety standards. Starting with temperature checks for all guests and employees. All of our employees will be wearing face masks. We encourage our guests to do the same. Face masks are available for purchase at our lobby shop. We've placed health and hygiene reminders at highly visible locations throughout our resorts. Contactless sign-in is also available for all guests who are required to scan a unique QR code from a site poster placed at numerous entrances in order to complete a self-declaration form. We're focusing on frequent deep cleaning and disinfecting measures. All buggies are disinfected every hour or after being used by every guest. Touchless hand sanitizing stations are located throughout the resorts at reception areas, hotel lobbies, at our front desks, and our elevator lobbies. In all essential areas and public spaces, we've installed floor markers reminding our guests to maintain social distancing, indicating the correct distance our guests and employees must keep. We also limit the number of people in elevators. In high-touch areas, we have stepped up disinfecting protocols using industry-grade cleaning agents and disinfectants. Also, indoor and outdoor soft finishings are disinfected and placed safely apart according to social distancing requirements. Our well-trained cleaning staff and housekeeping team follows strict quality sanitization controls. This includes wearing gloves and a face mask. We've enhanced our room cleaning procedures with daily washing of linen, frequent deep cleaning of pools, high-touch items, and in-room furnishings using industry-grade cleaning agents and disinfectants. The frequency of air filter cleaning has been increased and fresh air exchange will be maximized. Enjoy a wide range of dining experiences at our resorts. Tables are spaced 1 meter apart to indicate safe social distancing, and all menus are disinfected after each use. All kitchens follow the highest government sanitization standard. In addition, each team member is required to wash their hands every 30 minutes. Room service is also available at no additional charge and can be specially packaged and delivered right to your door without contact. We know that the best of times begin with a peace of mind. Along with our 5-star service and elevated cleaning and safety measures, you will be able to enjoy a safe, relaxing getaway. We look forward to welcoming you back through our doors.